Using the mode iProcurement in Requisition Wizard, you'll have the ability to use smart forms and catalog supplier items. Let's start with the smart forms. First, let's bring up a new sheet after selecting the corresponding mode in the wizard. This template provides the same sections and columns as the Oracle HTML page. You can easily tailor this spreadsheet layout and remove sections or columns you don't need. To enter a new requisition using this mode, you can type the data in. You can use forms available from the main ribbon, or you can double-click on the requisition line you'd like to enter. In this form, all your Oracle setup is automatically retrieved. You can, for instance, choose one of your smart forms. Smart forms are configurable templates available in Oracle iProcurement. It is used for the purchase of goods or services that are not available in the catalog, so non-catalog requests. Through these templates, key information such as preferred suppliers, category, and price default on the request and display over information needed to validate and execute the order. Then you just need to complete your dataset. Yellow fields are mandatory. Sourcing information is also defaulted here. If you have removed some columns from the template, the corresponding fields will be grayed out on the form. You could obviously also just copy-paste this information and put information like this and let the wizard default all this other information. You need to put distribution information. Forms are available here by double-clicking on the cell or using this button. You can just click on combinations and choose one of the existing accounts from there. Finally, you can default information using the default values row number 10. You can default information like the source type, which if it's not defaulted by your smart form, or destination type. When the dataset is ready, you can validate only. Validation also happens when you bring up a user form. Feedback is provided for each section included in the template. You can also validate and upload choosing the upload option. Let's upload all rows on this tab. The records are now pending. We just need to submit the concurrent program, the requisition import, the standard Oracle program, to move this requisition from the interface table to the Oracle iProcurement module. You can monitor your request from the wizard and refresh the sheet at the end of the program. The requisition was successfully created and the number has been brought back on the sheet at the end of the upload. We can easily download this requisition using Sheets data. Highlight your download criteria and choose this download option. Here we can see that the smart form defaulted information even for the columns we didn't enter any information. That's it for the smart form functionality. Thanks for watching.